My name is John Snedeker. I'm the clinical director and co-founder of LaSara Medical Group here in Los Angeles, Orange County, and San Diego. You're going to hear from our patient named Carlos, who has a very common story of being overweight, pre-diabetic, and suffering from poor blood flow causing his erectile dysfunction, and only being right around the middle of his life, close to age 50. After coming to LaSara Medical Group and partaking in the Shockwave therapy, testosterone replacement therapy, and peptides, he's at a full turnaround of losing weight, regaining his erections, and the energy that he used to have 20 years ago. Here's the story now.
My name's Carlos, I'm 48 years old. Before coming to LaSara Medical Group, I was 245 pounds, I was pre-diabetic, I was having some ED issues. My confidence was very low. I was having a hard time maintaining a firm erection. Before coming into LaSara Medical Group, I did my research and they advised the Shockwave therapy and the fat loss peptide and the TRT therapy. Since coming to LaSara, my life has improved drastically. I've lost 50 pounds of weight. My sex drive is back. My confidence is back. I've started dating again. I've been divorced for 8 months. And I get compliments constantly about my sexual performance. For other men that are in similar situations like I was, this is definitely a life-changing experience. I recommend it to every man. Married, single, in a relationship, it doesn't matter. It's something that I believe every man should do and should budget for and set the time aside to do this. It changes everything. It's totally worth it. Shockwave therapy is a very simple process. It's very discreet. It's painless. And the treatments only take about 20 minutes per treatment. The treatments were effective almost immediately. The office staff is very professional, very welcoming, very accommodating if I had to make a change to my appointment. Sometimes I needed to come earlier. When I started the treatments, I actually went on a dating website. And I was overweight. I weighed almost 250 pounds. And it's interesting how women view you as a man when you're overweight. And I just wasn't getting the matches. I'm laughing because that's reality. And now that I weigh 193 pounds and I'm in much better shape, I have more muscle on me, it's just women treat me different. And unfortunately, that's just reality. That's just the way it is. So, good for me. LaSara's treatments have changed my life. Everything from the focused shockwave therapy, the fat loss peptide, and the TRT therapy. All three, those combinations have made a huge difference in my life. Now it's part of my life. And I don't see myself stopping these treatments. It's made me of who I am now, and I'm here to stay. After my divorce, I was desperate to make a change in my life, and I did a lot of research, a lot of videos, a lot of reading on the internet, and I just went out on a limb and I called LaSara Medical Group. And if you're on the fence about doing the shockwave therapy, doing any kind of peptide that they might have, and the TRT, just don't waste your time. You need to come here right away and get this stuff done. It will change your life. It will make a huge difference in your life. Using the testosterone replacement therapy, it has given me much more strength, especially in the gym. It's made me more focused. My job is somewhat of a physical job and has made a tremendous improvement. with strength and weight loss. The testosterone replacement therapy, it's an injection that goes in your leg muscle. It's painless, but after a few times injecting yourself, it's a breeze. My current girlfriend gave me a compliment the other night that how I was able to maintain an erection for a long period of time. By doing that, I was able to give her multiple orgasms throughout the night. And that's something that I never been able to do, even when I was younger in my 20s or 30s. I'm 48 years old, and for a 48-year-old man to be able to do that to a 45-year-old woman, it just changes everything. I feel like a new man again.
What a great story from Carlos. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to his experience of becoming a patient at LaSara Medical Group. As you've heard, shockwave therapy, peptide therapy, and the testosterone replacement therapy has been the perfect orchestration of treatment that has really transformed his life, helping him lose weight, regain his sexual health, increase his energy, and overall just be a better version of himself. If you too are having challenges and you want to get back on track with your health, specifically your sexual health, please reach out to us through our website at lasara.com, or you can call us directly.